Hey y'all, how's it going? So today I'm going to be going over my trade recap of a break-even-ish trade. So just hit new day, which that's why it says my P&L is 0. But today I'm going to go to my performance stats. I did hit a little break-even-ish trade. I'm just putting my break-even at 150 just because I want those winning days to stack up till a payout. But yeah, I am sick today. That's why my voice sounds like this. But yeah, let's go over this. So this was an actual like A+ setup. The only reason why I went to break even so early and was so wary about it is because it was so late in the day. It was at around 3-ish, like 2:47. So yeah, let's go to ES. So boom, at ES. Is this no? Okay, let me touch this to ES real quick. And boom, bro. Okay, okay. Here is the trade I took. So this was an SMT trade, as you can see at the highs.
The market is
Oh
open.
crap! What the heck? Yo, why did it just? Okay, that scared me. Okay, whatever. I thought I accidentally entered a trade, but I said market's open. All right, so, boom. SMT's at the highs right here. I spotted this. Well, okay, but even before that, let's just go over the whole process. So, all right, let's start at the daily bias on NQ. So let's switch this on to NQ. Well, this one won't stay at ES. Okay, whatever. All right, so let's just get rid of this then. Boom. Okay, we're on NQ right now. So boom. SMT at these highs, as I already showed you guys. Boom, right here. And so yeah, bias for NQ was bearish. I'm always bearish in December. I don't care. I'm only taking bearish trades because those are what my winning days have been, and those are what they consist of. So, okay, let's get into the whole breakdown. So, I started off. I didn't really care too much about the higher time frame because I just wanted the higher time frame, marked out these fair value gaps, equilibrium, and spotted all that. So now let's head down lower. 15-minute. This was the 15-minute gap that got inversed right here. So I was just really looking for a retracement off of that to the lows. It's kind of choppy right here. I was just kind of going high to low, high to low. So let's move to the 1 minute. Okay, so right here on the 1 minute, I saw price go into equilibrium. That's why I have that. So boom, right here. Discount price. It went in, rebalanced, then went to these lows, made relatively, I guess you could call it. It just kind of gained liquidity, gained all this sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity. No, sell side. Sorry, I'm sick. Sorry, I can't think straight. But whatever, gained all the sell side liquidity. And after that, when it was up at this high, after it rebalanced, I was looking for a retracement the whole time. So I was looking for this point right here to go down, but it didn't. Kept going, and that's what sealed the deal was the SMT. So I was really sure. I did get a bit of a late entry, and I made a stupid break even stop out. But yeah, so let's go over that. So boom, SMT happened. Wait for it to inverse this low. Entered on the closure of these relative equal lows right here, and boom. So this would have been a. Let's move this up to right here. Let's move it right here because this was where my stop was at. 83-point trade. That would have been like 1.5K or something. That would have been really helpful. But it is what it is. So boom, instantly when price went right here, uh, I moved my stop to positive like 160 right here, and then obviously it got taken out, then plummeted, which that was it. That's just how it goes. That's how trading is. And I'm never going to let that affect my mindset. I was about to for a second. Then I thought about it for a second and just thought how blessed I am from Jesus Christ to even be in this position and just even doing this skill and even like having my mind set on this. So yeah, this is the trade recap for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios.